The proposed Legacy 2025 capital project includes improvements to existing athletic facilities, including resurfacing the track and installing turf on the infield of the high school softball field.
Go! The thing that I have in mind more than anything is safety concerns for the track. There's been parts of it that have been starting to peel up, and those areas start to become very unsafe. Tripping hazards, slipping on it. It's really not conducive to running very smart. If we could get it resurfaced so that it's safe, that would be awesome.
In upstate New York, you know, with the winters, you just never know. And, you know, April is always hit or miss if we had turf. The safety of the turf, that's a non-issue. It's going to be playable all the time, you know. Weather conditions will not affect it.
Some of the markings are faded, so for like relays, like the 4x1, the starting zone and the ending zone are kind of faded out, so it's difficult to see. And over at the long jump pits, it's difficult to read the different boards to know which one you're jumping off of.
I think it's exciting, especially for like the future of our program. The state championships are usually held like with a turf infield, so it would prepare us well if we get the opportunity to go back.
I think an updated track definitely it appeals to other teams too, which helps brings more people for meets, and having home meets in general brings more student crowds. Having student support, it really helps boost the adrenaline when I'm running, and it makes me run faster.
I would be really excited to come back and watch the teams in the future and just see how much it's changed and how much of an impact maybe we had on making it happen.
We compete at a high level. These kids come out and they work really, really hard. They deserve that top level facility to train at.